Hi, I'm Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Here to show you a 2024 Ford F-350 that we just picked up with only 152 miles on it. It is a 350 with a 4x4 XL model with the SuperCab. I'll open that up for you so you can see that you can fit some more of your crew in there. And after I walk around the entire vehicle, I'll step in here and I'll show you some of the options as well. So it's a 9-foot body, steel body, with the service utility cabinets, with the shelving inside. This is a Royal body that we upfitted to this truck. You walk around back, you have your tailgate and your 9-foot bed. We also upfitted this with ladder racks as well. On this side, same cabinets as on the other side, with your shelving. Really nice truck, practically brand new with only, like I said, 150 some miles on it. We walk around the front, I'll hop inside and I'll show you some of the options on the interior. So on the inside you have all your controls on the steering wheel, your cruise control, your Bluetooth for your cell phone or music, and you have all your volume controls on this side. Large, I believe it's a 9-inch screen on here with a backup camera, which you can see. And then down here are your air conditioning and heating controls and your 4-wheel drive push button control as well. Up top you have auxiliary switches. If you wanted to hook anything else up to the truck, you could. You do have a nice, let me get it. Oh, never mind, let's skip that part. This folds down. If you guys have any questions, the best number to reach me at is 215-946-7221. I'm at extension 102, or I can be reached anytime on my cell phone at 215-939-6689. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you for taking the time today to watch my video. Have a great day.